So in this video, we're going to look at callbacks. In JavaScript, functions are objects. This means we can do many things with them. You may have come across higher order functions, but in a nutshell, a higher order function is a function that takes another function as an argument, and/or is a function that returns a function as a value. So one aspect of higher order functions is that you can pass a function as an argument to another function. So when we pass a function as an argument to another function, and that function is invoked within the outer or parent function, we're creating a callback. If you've used built-in methods in JavaScript, then it's likely you've already used a callback. So let's start by looking at a basic example. We're going to start by creating a function declaration called greet. This function will take a parameter, which for clarity purposes we're going to call cbfunc. Inside the function body, we'll invoke cbfunc twice. Next, let's create another function declaration called sayHello. Inside of this function, we'll console log hello. Finally, let's call the greet function, and for the argument, which will be the cbfunc parameter, we'll pass in the sayHello function definition. When this runs, we get hello printed twice because greet is invoking the function twice inside of its function body. When we use callback functions, we're often using an anonymous function as opposed to an existing function. The reason for this is that if the callback function is not going to be used anywhere else in the code, then there's not really any need to store a named function within the code for the callback. Let's update our previous example to use this approach. So now when we call greet, instead of passing in sayHello as the argument, we'll pass in the anonymous function directly as the argument. We'll also delete the sayHello function declaration. We'll run this. We get the same output as when we used a named function. If you've used SetTimeout in JavaScript, then you've already been using a callback. The SetTimeout function is part of the Web API, and it accepts a callback and executes this after a certain period of time has passed. So let's take a look at an example. We'll start by using SetTimeout, and then we'll pass in the callback. Inside of the body, we'll console log hello. And we'll set 1000 as the milliseconds to wait before the function executes. Let's run this. The callback returns a console log that prints the string hello. After 1 second, this is printed on the screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content.